Hey people, welcome back to the channel.
You join us this week en route to Agadir Airport, racing against the clock after Nick's shenanigans with the police back at Sidi Kauki. Right, it's time to get on my flight and catch up with my family. Sadly go to my uncle's funeral, but I'll be back in Morocco in just a few days' time. Just walking on the actual airport runway now. That's ours. See you in a bit. Right, I've landed back at Manchester Airport. I just need to go and find my mum now, and my sister and my nephew. Meanwhile, back in Morocco.
Luna, you're a loony.
Bye, love you. Right, that's another trip back in the UK done with. Next time I'm back here, we'll be back with the van. So I need to go and get myself through security because I'm late and get on that plane. Well, we made it. Well, I made it. Ready to go back and see Nick and Luna. Can't you tell I'm happy with my extra leg room? So much so, I have to show you again. Cheerio, crappy UK weather. Let's say we get back to Morocco, eh? Straight from the airport, we headed back to Richie's Beach. We spent the following day there before heading up the coast and parking up in a spot that Nick had found previously. And what a beautiful spot it turned out to be. Brucey bonus, we were all on our own, which gave Nick the chance to carry on his workouts that he'd started off with Bartek. And let me tell you, this is just the beginning of his health journey. It's definitely a spot that all of us enjoyed and we will be returning to in the future. If you fancy a bit of solitude, this is the place for you. It wasn't long before it was time to move on again. This time we're heading south again towards Imiudar, where we spent some downtime with our buddies, soaking up all the Moroccan coastline has to offer. And of course practicing the poi. Check out Nick as well. A few days later we found ourselves at the Timlalin Dunes, somewhere we'd passed and wanted to visit several times over. Right, so we're back together again. We've been together since Saturday, so that's 4 days now. We've had 4 days of chilling out.
Catching up with our friends.
Yeah, catching up with vlogs and just enjoying some downtime. So yeah, it's been really nice, hasn't it? We stayed around the Agadir Tamrat area, but then now we've travelled a little bit further north to the Timlalin Dunes, said Timlalin Dunes, and the heat here, although it's windy, it's really, really beautiful, isn't it? But anyway, Bartek and Alicia have turned up, so we're going to hopefully find a decent place to park overnight, because it'd be lovely to have a view of these dunes and the sea.
And we're going to do something, but you have to wait and see.
Oh yeah, that should be fun. Something that we've passed this place so many times now, and so many times we've said, right, we'll stop and we'll do that, and we've not. So this time we're gonna do it. We've decided.
Give you a little clue. You do it on snow.
Okay. Right, we need to go back to the van, wait for Bartek and Alicia, see what they want to do about parking wise, and then yeah, go from there. After meeting with Bartek and Alicia, it was time to head into the dunes. This place offers a crazy contrast of desert land meeting the Atlantic Ocean. If you don't fancy heading out towards Mazuba in the desert, then this is a really good alternative. Plus the bonus of the seaside views helps. Whatever's going on, it's definitely turning Nick into a big kid. Seems that Luna loves it here too. Oh, nice. We've been over at the Timlalin Dunes, parked here until sunset because we were told to wait till sunset and then go over. Whoa! Oh my god, this is wild.
It's crazy, man. That's crazy.
Hey! Oh, look at that sunset. Yeah, so we were told to wait until after sunset before driving on here because apparently the security come. And once they've been, we can all drive on to this section. But what we're trying to do is make it there without getting stuck. We're not going to get stuck because I said we're not going to get stuck, right, Nick?
Not going to get stuck.
Not going to get stuck. This is nice. Nice. Are we crazy? One life, man.
One life, live it.
Oh my days. This is not an off-road vehicle. Keep going, Nick. You're slowing down way too much.
A nice sunset as well, look.
Oh, I know. That sunset is making it worthwhile. I can't believe we're coming over to where the sand dunes are. I'm so excited. Holy crap. Oh my god, and there's some camels just crossing the dunes ahead of us. His front wheels were spinning then. Look at that. What a beautiful sight, right?
Nice.
I feel like we're coming to the end of the adventure, but then we do something like this and I'm like, no, we're just beginning again. We're on a new adventure. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Will we be able to get back up this? Yeah? Holy shit, look at that for a view. Oh, nice. I wonder whether there's a way we can try and block some of that wind. Look, he's gonna do donuts.
The wind block.
We did it!
No, I don't think so.
Holy shit. As ever, it's the turn up to the park up and dance. Now look at that for a park up. It was definitely worth all that driving over sand. Right, so this beautiful park up here has been stunning, but unfortunately this guy here came and knocked on our door at about 9:30 this morning and told us that we weren't going to be able to stay here. We managed to get one night out of it and it was beautiful waking up to these sand dunes, but for now we need to get ourselves out of here. But it's uphill this time, so fingers crossed. Bartek and Alicia have gone ahead and they look like they're doing okay, so we need to do okay also, right? Anyhow, the plan is today that me and Nick are gonna go and do some fun activities on the dunes. Again, after yesterday's walk, we were both shattered. Walking on that sand is hard work. You go 3 steps forward, 4 steps back. Ooh, we're on our way now, properly. Don't stop, baby. How is it, Nick? Good? Yay! We made it out! Okay, so basically the reason we had to leave was because there are some protected birds on the edge of the cliff and they are all nesting at the moment. So basically they've closed off this road so that they can nest in peace, basically. That sounds like rest in peace, doesn't it? So yeah, that's our reason for having to move off of here. We're going to just go over the road and park up, but they're just having to move all the quad bikes for us now because basically they use the quad bikes to block anyone coming in like us. It's worth mentioning here that one of our friends, Liam, had previously stayed here with no problems at all. The nesting birds had only just arrived, so the rules had only just come into place. And we're back, so we need to go and grab some stuff out of the back and head back to the dunes, but by foot. You guessed it, we're here to try out sandboarding.
Deeper.
Okay, this is quite comical. It's a lot more slippery on snow. It's all wet up here and we're pretty high up. Go, go, bend your knees. Woohoo! There you go. Nice. Here we come. The sand is so toasty now. I wouldn't want to walk barefoot on here in the height of summer. I knew we'd go back down to go back up. Nick, I think the ball's that way. Way, way. Yeah, it doesn't move if it's not steep enough because the sand's giving it too much grip. You can do it. Okay. Woo! Yes. Oh, wow. That was really good. You did good, darling. Me a bad girlfriend. You okay? You still got all your teeth?
Are you filming? Yeah.
You're gonna have sand coming out your ears for days.
Are you gonna try and stand it? Oh, you can do this. I've been made up. Just lean into it. Go on, it will. Just give it a couple of shoves. Speed it up. Go on, we can edit it.
Right? Maybe a small slope, but I still tried. It's the taking part that counts, yeah?
Yeah. See, my idea for Jenny to look cool, but she's actually carrying the board for me.
So since playing at the dunes, this beautiful but really, really not very well looking doggy, super skinny. Hi mate. Hello. Where's your tail wag? Where's your tail wag? Hey? Breaking my heart. There's not many tourists around here, so probably not anyone to feed him. So he's, yeah, super skinny. It's really sad.
These are cool, aren't they?
Filming me, filming you.
Yeah. Why not?
It's very cool here. On the way back to the van, we ended up coming across this hidden canyon. A quiet but really beautiful place, shaped by wind and time. It had the most stunning rock formations I think we've actually seen in Morocco. I'm having to keep my head down because there's sand all coming over the top and it gets in your eyes. So you got, it's like it's raining sand. Oh mate. Oh, it is. It's like proper raining sand. If you go down in the coastline. And we're out and I can hear the road. Now we're both covered in sand. We need to get back to the van, get Luna out for a wee, probably have a coffee, and then head down to the coast to go and catch up with Bartek and Alicia and possibly Andy. Luna! Hello. Hi baby! Coffee only? For you.
Thank you.
So did you have some fun on the Timlalin Dunes? You're covered in sand. Come here, let me just give you a quick swipe on the back here. Oh, it's just all... Oh, it's going all over me.
Need a shower. No point.
Yeah, I think we need a shower. We are covered, and I mean covered in sand. I think it's, yeah, it's in my ears, on my tash, in my eyebrows and my hair. Super sandy. Sandy toes and salty kisses, right? Right, that's it for this week, people. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this far. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing. Drop us a comment below and let us know all about your recent adventures.
And don't forget to ding that bell
so you can keep up to date with all our upcoming vlogs. We've got all this coming up in next week's vlog.
Can you feel the vibe?
Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
only half the world away.
Keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count.